to make sure.
This is mud, and we have captured a bird.
I'm gonna reach for
Kobo's gonna grab it.
I'm like, it's herpes.
I'm gonna freeze. I'm just afraid he's gonna poke me.
It is alive.
I farted.
In my face, man. Kobo just farted me in the face.
There are many more here. Let's try to find them.
I got one.
Dude, Kobo, leave it alone, man.
I'm trying to hold it.
Leave it alone.
Break its wing. Break its
Wing's already
wing.
broken.
Let's take it home.
I just wanna hold it.
Grab it.
Don't. I'm just afraid it'll peck me.
Probably will. Probably herpes.
Oh, there it goes. Its wing wasn't broken, you liar.
How far did it get off the ground?
Point there. See, there it goes. Hey, another one.
Guys. Oh my god. Oh.
You dumb.
Fail. There it goes.
I got it. Yeah.
Wait. There it is.
Here's the bird.
It's not free, man.
That's it for this episode of Mud. See ya, peoples.